Hey everyone, the Minisforum UM750L Slim is a compact and impressively capable micro PC that targets users looking for a desktop computing solution without sacrificing space or essential performance. Housed in a sleek and ultra-compact 0.8-liter chassis, the UM750L Slim measures just 130 by 126.5 by 50.4 millimeters and weighs only 0.67 kilograms, making it ideal for minimal setups, tight workspaces, or VESA-mounted configurations. At the heart of this mini PC is AMD's Ryzen 5 7745U processor, a 6-core, 12-thread chip with a peak clock speed of 4.9 GHz and 16 megabytes of L3 cache. It also includes integrated Radeon graphics with 4 compute units running at 2.8 GHz, offering enough horsepower for everyday tasks, media consumption, and light productivity or creative workloads. The CPU is paired with 16 gigabytes of onboard LPDDR5 RAM running at a high frequency of 6,400 megatransfers per second, which ensures smooth multitasking and faster memory bandwidth. Storage is equally flexible and high-performing. The UM750L Slim offers two M.2 280 NVMe SSD slots. The main slot supports PCIe 4.0 by 4 speeds, capable of up to 7,000 megabytes per second, while the second slot supports PCIe 4.0 by 2 at up to 3,500 megabytes per second. Each slot can accommodate up to 4 terabytes of storage, making the system well-suited for users needing both speed and capacity in a tiny form factor. Minisforum has implemented a dual-fan cooling system with phase-change thermal materials and dedicated heat sinks for the CPU, RAM, and storage. This setup reportedly reduces operating temperatures by up to 25% compared to traditional single-fan systems. Even with dual fans, the system remains relatively quiet, maintaining a noise level below 35 decibels under standard usage. Connectivity is another strength of the UM750L Slim. It supports modern standards like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, and also includes a 2.5G Ethernet port for high-speed wired networking. The port selection is generous for a device of this size. The front panel includes 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, while the rear panel offers a 40 gigabits per second USB 4 port that also supports 65 to 100 watt power delivery and 15 watt output, 2 USB 2.0 ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, a DisplayPort 1.4 connector, and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Multi-monitor setups are supported via HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB 4, all of which can handle up to 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 120 Hz, ensuring broad compatibility with high-resolution displays. The UM750L Slim comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, ready for professional or home office use right out of the box. Priced competitively, it is available in China for around $292, while the global model retails for $389 but can currently be found on sale for about $311. At this price point, the UM750L Slim stands out as a compact, efficient, and well-rounded mini PC option for users needing a balance of performance, thermals, and versatility in a minimalist package. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and God bless you.